Hi, this is Julia with Jeepin' with Julia. I'm doing an unboxing here of my Hothead Headliners that just came in the mail today. I already cut the tape. So here is how it came. It was packaged very nice. And it comes with very nice instructions. Looks like I get a
free sticker, good for 25 horsepower.
Sticker, yeah, that's it. They put a piece of cardboard in here for when you're pressing it up on the ceiling. And I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, receipt. That's okay. Anyways, and it looks like the Hothead Headliners this time come with this nice foil. I think it's a thermal foil backing. It's supposed to be better for insulation and reflection. I don't think this had it the last time I had it for my 2013 Sahara. But I sold that vehicle, and so once I got my 2015, I decided I needed these again. The fabric is very nice. It has a nice foam padding. The fit and finish was just wonderful on it. So one thing I learned from the last time I did it was you need to have not only the roof of your Jeep hot, so you want it to sit out in the sun for a little bit, but you also want to lay these out in the sun, and I just laid it on the cardboard box so they didn't get dirty, and make sure this tape gets hot. That made a big difference for me on my rear panel. I couldn't get the very edges to stick, and then when I did that, it helped a lot. And this time, well actually last time too, I did order the rear window panels. I think it makes it a nice finished look. It was an extra $125 for these, but worth it in my opinion. So we'll be putting this in this weekend. We've got the whole top and the side windows, and this time I did not do Sound Assassin. I just decided I didn't notice enough of a difference to want to pay the extra for those again.
You better describe what that is.
Sound Assassin are strips of sound deadening. It's kind of heavy. Comes in foil strips.
Like Dynamat.
Like Dynamat, yes, that stick up there. But again, I didn't notice that big a difference, at least I didn't think. So anyways, I just felt like this was enough this time. And I think Mark at Hothead is great. He's very responsive. I ordered these on Monday, and it's Wednesday. And I got them that fast. We are only a couple states away, though. Anyways, I'm very excited. I think this is a quality product, and I think it's worth the money. So if you need headliners, I would highly recommend Hothead, and we'll be showing a video of how this looks coming this weekend. Thank you.